In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumloop to Sales 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Gumloop sales templates, choose the right one, and set it up so it organizes your emails the way you want. Start by opening Gumloop. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side panel. That's your main navigation area. From there, open Templates by Gumloop. This is where Gumloop groups ready-made solutions so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Next, head into the Sales category. This view shows you all the templates designed for sales use cases. You'll notice you can browse everything at once under all sales templates, or you can narrow things down. If you select Agents, you'll see templates that act like an assistant you can instruct and adapt to your process. If you select workflows, you'll see multi-step automations that run a defined set of actions in a specific order. If you're not sure which you need, start with all and skim the descriptions. They'll tell you what problem each template solves, what inputs it needs, and what you can expect as an output. Now choose the template that best fits your needs. For example, if your goal is to sort incoming emails, pick a flow designed for automated triage. Before you commit, take a moment to read the template page carefully. Check what the template does, any required connections, and a quick summary of how it's configured. This helps avoid surprises later. When you're ready, click. Use this flow. Gumloop will prepare a copy you can customize. When prompted to choose a destination, select Personal Workspace. This is usually the easiest place to experiment, iterate, and keep things organized before sharing it more broadly. After that, click Continue to finalize the import. You'll now land inside the template setup. Look for the Agent or Instruction panel. Update the instructions so they reflect your labels and how you want emails to be organized. Be explicit and concise. Define the categories you care about, such as new lead, current customer, high priority, low priority, or spam. Explain the rules for assigning each label, like what keywords, sender domains, or subjects indicate a certain category. Include how you want the agent to format results, such as adding a label, writing a short summary, or flagging messages that need a same-day response. If tone matters, say so. For example, keep replies professional and concise. Avoid placing any sensitive information in the instructions. Once your instructions clearly reflect your workflow, your template is configured and ready for your sales process. That's it. Simple, fast, and tailored to how you work.